Using Taptap Send in Canada is a simple way to send money internationally. Follow these steps to get started. Download the Taptap Send app. Download the Taptap Send app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and sign up or log in using your credentials. Add your payment method. Once logged in, go to the Wallet or Payment Method section in the app. Add a debit card, credit card, or bank account as your payment method to fund the transfer. Choose the recipient's country. Select the destination country where you want to send money. Taptap Send supports transfers to several countries worldwide, particularly in Africa and Asia. Enter the amount. Enter the amount you wish to send in Canadian dollars. The app will show the equivalent amount in the recipient's currency along with the exchange rate and transfer fee. Provide recipient details. Enter the recipient's name, contact information, and sometimes their bank account number or mobile money details. Confirm and send. Double-check the transfer details, including fees and exchange rates. Hit send to complete the transaction. Track the transfer. You can check the status of your transfer under the transfer section.